Welcome to Princess Cut Lawn Care, and today we're going to be reviewing the cheapest lawn leveling rake on Amazon, the Flyhawk stainless steel Alibaba special. I haven't seen or used this rake yet, but today we're going to unbox it, we're going to review it, we're going to put it together, and we're going to try it out and see, is this a viable option for you? So this is the box that it comes in, and I got to say it's pretty heavy. It's about 20 pounds, but I don't know. It sounds like something's broken there, right, bro?
Sounds like it.
Yeah, for real. And you know what? I mean, who knows? We could be pleasantly surprised. This is a budget option, and everyone knows I love saving money. Ain't that right, Bert?
That's right.
Bert, stop.
2 hours later.
All right, so enough talking. Let's unbox this thing. You know, I had to bust out the trusty old golden switchblade for this.
You got any biscuits for sale in there?
Let's see what we got up in this packaging over here. Ooh. I guess it is real stainless steel. Looks pretty nice. Comes with this little installation guide over here. We don't need that. Actually, I'm probably gonna need that. Make sure it doesn't go in the garbage. And then we got a couple poles. So this thing comes in two sizes. It comes in a 5-foot and a 6-foot pole. All right, so if we take a look over here, this rake is 17 inches wide and 10 inches tall. So, I mean, it's definitely a lot smaller than, say, my leveling rake over there on the wall. I mean, you can see how huge that is compared to the broom. This right here, this is definitely small, but it looks like it has some nice joint welds in it. And it's heavy. I mean, this thing is heavy. I could definitely see how it could be pushing sand around. And it has the same rectangle design as the other one. I'm looking at these pillars here, and this is exactly how the other one is. And it's filled in on the other side so the sand won't go in. So I definitely do like that. So let's take a look. It looks like it's pretty self-explanatory. This is the 5-foot version. And you know, I'm over 6 feet tall, so I probably should have got the tall one, but the daily deal was for this one and not that one. So I got this leveling rake here. This is, I mean, they say this is stainless steel, but I don't know if I believe it, but I guess time will tell. We'll see. But so far, I like how it is. It seems very solid. You know, I don't hear anything jiggling. Right. You know, I absolutely didn't need this rake. I'm doing this for you guys, you know, because I was curious myself, and you know, I have that other rake over there, but let's see how this one handles. I probably shouldn't have thrown those instructions. I'm looking over here in this bubble wrap. I see there's some screws in there. That'll probably hold in the attachment. But let's take this out. But yeah, this is definitely heavy. I like that. Random nut in the box. Figures. It's not even in the Ziploc bag. Just like on my other rake, the pole handle goes in there like that. I'm looking over here. It looks like I might need to detach it with a ratchet. Let me grab a ratchet real quick. All right, we're back. So I got the ratchet and I'm ready to put this thing together. But I can tell you already off the bat what I don't like is that it doesn't have any lock nut washers on all the attachments over here and where the pole goes. So if this does seem like a good option, then you're definitely gonna wanna get some lock nut washers, or at least get the washers that have the little rubber gasket. Because I know with all that pushing and pulling and pushing and pulling in the lawn, it's gonna come loose. That's for sure. All right, so let's put this thing together. I'm gonna take my screwdriver, put it on this side here. So there you go, here's the rake. They say that this is this the 5-foot? I don't know. I think this is the 5-foot, but it could be the 6-foot. I know I'm about 6'3", so does this look like it's about 6 feet? Probably, right? So I'm holding this rake, you know, and it actually seems very solid and it's heavy. My only concern would be that it's 17 inches. My other rake over there is 40 inches. And when you have a nice spread like that on the lawn, you can get it to be a lot more level. But with 17 inches, I mean, if you're light on your passes, and you go in a nice uniform way, I could see how it could definitely do some type of leveling. But I'm not 100% sold on its size yet. But I have a little bit of an area that I was thinking about leveling down by the driveway. So I'm gonna get some sand and we're gonna test it out and see how it does. All right, so I got this little area of my boulevard strip that I've been slowly leveling throughout the years. And when I say slowly, I mean real slowly. But I feel like this is gonna be a perfect test plot to actually test out this rake and see if it's any good. All right, so I'm gonna go a little easy on the leveling because it's the end of March right now. My grass hasn't fully started growing yet. But if a little bit dies off for the sake of this video and for the sake of science, science is number one, then I'm okay with that. So let's see how this thing does. Wow, this thing is gliding across the lawn. Holy crap. Is this actually a viable option? So would I recommend it? Heck yeah, I would recommend it. It performs just as good as my professional rake. The only caveat is it's half the size. But keep in mind, leveling your lawn is no easy task. You're gonna be out there pushing the rake back and forth and back and forth. You're gonna feel like you're gonna fall to the floor. And no matter which way you look at it, it's hard work. But if you're on the fence about dropping $200, $300, $400 on a leveling rake, I definitely think this is a good option for you. And in the future, if you like leveling and you like the outcome, you could always upgrade your equipment. All right, if you guys made it to the end of this video, I got a super awesome surprise for you guys. Since I already have a leveling rake, I'm gonna be giving this exact rake away to one of you guys. All you have to do is comment below and tell me a little bit about your aspiring leveling project that you have coming up. And I'll be giving it away live on Instagram Live. I'll be using one of those random comment generators, and then I'll respond back to your comment if you're the winner. I'll send you my email, and then we can go from there. But hey, if you found any value in this video, hit that like button. And with that, this is George. I'll see you soon.